I ain't rapping, get in traffic, when you see me, better bust, I ain't what's up. Talk all into your son, but you ain't tough, hate to cook. Always asking for some free, she get the fuck, scrape the pot, leave some, let my brother finish. Break his jaw, when he falls, thump his chin in. Pint of red, I go pulling up, call me the Drake man. Brothers fucking on the right, put his cape on. Lost my jacket, call the junkie off the payphone. I bet I don't sip that cup if you don't pour it right. Bro said he don't eat no coochie, the vegan type. I bet a bench she fall in love cause I beat her right. Walk around with red inside my pocket like it's legal. Get a CPL, ARP in my Adidas. I just bought a scale, take it back, I think it's tripping. She just broke her nails, sucking dick on me to fix it. I hang out the window with a top and let off 60. Finger itching, think I need a new prescription. Dashing through the birds with a bird in the engine. Get on my bitch nerves, when some leave she gon' miss me. Cut the brick, let it sit till the test come. I know a nigga smoke blacks when the plug gone. I snatch your hoe, that pocket bitch say I won't. I feel like tricking, I might go back on the ground. He said he my eye, we never met that bitch a fan. I ain't rapping, get in traffic, when you see me, better bust, I ain't what's up. Talk all into your son, but you ain't tough, hate to cook. Always asking for some free, she get the fuck, scrape the pot, leave some, let my brother finish.